Patil. I am proprietor and owner of Messrs. Shri Parth Petrochem, Vadodara. We are biodiesel plant manufacturer. We manufacture different capacities of plant. Our range of plants starts from 1000 liter, 2000 liter, 5000 liter, 10,000 liter, 20,000 liter, 50,000 liter and above. This is one of the demo piece for our one of the customer. It is a 1000 liter ready plant. Let's have a view on the plant. This is a esterification vessel whereby the process of esterification will be done. Process of esterification covers acid with catalyst, acid catalyst with methanol along with a base raw material. In this process, esterification process will be carried out. After completion of this process, we will transfer it to the trans-esterification process. This is a trans-esterification process whereby catalyst is used as a base. Base catalyst will be used along with methanol and along with the raw material which has been transferred from over here to here. Over here we will do the process. We are providing all the facilities in this reactor along with circulation lines and all these things. These lines will be done at a site of our customer's site, and these reactions will be done by electrical heating. Please come this side. We have provided these electrical heating facilities whereby the heating will be given to the material for a different temperature. In this reactor also electrical heating is there, and this reactor also electrical heating is there. Now the product will be separated from this phase. Bottom will be the glycerol, upper will be the biodiesel. Glycerol will be come to the glycerol reactor. This is our glycerol reactor whereby we will do a process on glycerol. Process on glycerol will be done and glycerol will be separated in two phases. One will be in fatty and one will be in glycerin. And the above biodiesel will be transferred via pipeline to distillation. This is our distillation unit. It is a complete distillation unit of near to 1500 liters. And over here the reacted biodiesel will come, trans-esterificated biodiesel will come, and we will start the process of distillation. In distillation process, we have methanol in biodiesel which will be separated, and if we want to do a more distillation of 100% distillation of biodiesel, actually IOC, HPCL, BPCL want 100% distilled biodiesel. So we can do a distillation of biodiesel also. In this distillation facility, we have provided a heating facility. Heating facility is there, and this is a high temperature heating facilities we are providing whereby we can take our temperature up to 350 degree, and this whole system works in under vacuum, so there is no any chances of accidents or any pressurized chances will be not created. We are providing a pump. Circulation pump is also provided. Then we are providing a column. It is a packed column. Then the line will be a vapor line, and then over here it is a condenser. It is a big condenser we are providing. Whatever the vapor will become, it will be cooled down, and vapor will be cooled down and it will be collected in this receiver. We are providing two receivers. In this receiver, the distilled first it will come methanol, and after methanol the distilled biodiesel will come. This distilled biodiesel will come over here, and from there it will be transferred to the storage tanks. These are the dedicated storage tanks we are providing. This is our cooling tower. This is a small cooling tower we are providing in this plant. Its capacity is 20 TRF, whereby its line will be connected to the condenser and the cooling system will be started. Then we are giving two storage tanks. One is of raw material and one is of finished goods. In raw material we are giving In raw material also, again we are giving the facility of heating, because lot of raw materials are come which need a heating facilities. Like if we buy a palm fatty, palm stearin, if we buy a tallow, if we buy some type of acid oil, then preheating is needed for taking to the treatment. So in this also we are giving a high temperature heaters whereby whole tank will be heated and we can take to the desired temperature whatever we need. This is our small plant of 1000 liter. whereby client can take in a day 2 batches of 1,000 liter. One batch may take a time of 8 hours and second batch of 8 hours. So in a day he can go for 2 batches. This whole project is completed in near to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, depends on our work orders. So if you have any inquiries related to project and product, then please contact us at below mentioned mobile number. Thank you very much.